Okay, so when you think about fatty acids and triglycerides, your dietary fat mostly consists of triglycerides, which are three fatty acids attached to a glycerol molecule when you look at the chemical structure. And it's stored as triglycerides and adipose fat. So that structure of three fatty acids and glycerol has to be broken down in order for your body to actually utilize fat. So triglycerides or body fat is good because it gives us insulation, it protects our vital organs. You can see in the picture up on the right, somebody has a lot of body fat versus somebody who doesn't have a lot of body fat. And then you also have adipose tissue. Of course, adipose tissue, triglycerides being the same thing, that produces hormones, and that those hormones can cause inflammation, can cause arteriosclerosis, also can cause us to have insulin resistance, which is obviously why we need to try to reduce our body fat, because the effects of body fat is not just the extra weight you're carrying, but the effect that it has on your metabolism as a whole.